Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy holidays. Well, today we have finally got to start gluing on the rest of the bottles. I was trying to figure out the different patterns for the back. So I already started off with a pattern that was gold and red, gold and red. And I kept that pattern for the entire time. It's fantastic. I love it. I hope that your Christmas went well. I hope that your holiday is going fine. And we're just going to go through this. I have some parts where I speak live on the day that I was putting it together. But because it was football season and also kids were having fun, so I had to do the voiceover for this section. So I'm going to go right around the bottle, I'm going to put it together, and then I'll be right back. Hello, beautiful people. Alright, so some part of the video, you guys are not going to be hearing me do a live audio because kids were next door. People were complaining about football. So I just got a moment of silence in my quarter, in my area, in my little quarters of my neighborhood. It's going to get loud again, but I just wanted to walk through this. So I have chosen, and you should be able to hear that, but I have chosen 2 more reds and three yellows. Hope you can see that. Okay, let me bring it up. I had showed it earlier, but all right, I know what I'm gonna do. There we go. So yeah, and then and that will be the end of, well, not the full end of this bottle, but for now that's what's going to be placed on the bottle. So let's get into it. So there are 2 ways that I can do it. Hope you can see that. I could get the glue gun onto, get the glue onto the bottle. Oh, they are getting loud again. And then I put the ornament on. Or found an easier way that's a little bit cleaner. And okay, remember this glue stick? It should be a glue gun where you can just press, right? Because it's so small, I have to literally push the glue out. So because the heat is up here, so the heat is up here. Up here is very hot right now, so the glue, oh, I'm gonna have to go, guys, because these guys are getting loud again outside. They are talking about football. I had to cancel the rest of that audio because they started to get very loud outside, but we're just gonna speed through and see it unravel. Alright, so basically I'm just going to go ahead and attach the other ornaments to the bottle, and I'll get back to you. It's a little bit quieter in my community, so I can say something. So initially I should have been using one of these yellows up here, but boy, this is fantastic. Look at that. Look at that. This is the front, as you can see. This is the back, as you can realize. There's gonna be a gap here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this. I think I have an idea what I'm gonna do, but for now we're just gluing the ball and the ornaments to the bottle. That's the goal for this video. That is the goal for this video. Actually, I can just plug out my glue gun right now because we're done for now. But yeah, how cute is that? How cute is that? Let me see if I can get a better view. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. How cute is that? Oh my god. Camera no. Oh nice, this look people. How cute is this? This is lovely. I mean, it's simple, probably too simple for some people. But for me, this is glam. This is nice. I'm thinking of putting something to close the top. This can go on the Christmas tree. It can go on your Christmas table. You could go all the way around with the top as well. But I don't feel like to because it's not going to show as much where I'm putting it. Or if I give it away, the person would most likely put it towards like the wall. Look at that. Oh man, yeah. Okay, we still have the bare bottle. We still have the empty bottle over here, but it's showtime for this one. Showtime for this one. Look at that. Showtime. Look at the glistening. Nice. Look at that. I am obsessed. I am obsessed. Alright, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you were motivated, you were energized for the Christmas season and for 2023. And I'll see you in the next one.